everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make very easy upside down apple pie. It's very easy. Too easy almost. But it tastes just like serious apple pie. You only need 10 minutes or so until you put it in the oven, so it's very quick too. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need: an apple, puff pastry, some butter, granulated sugar, and cinnamon powder, all as much as you like. Let's cut the apple into 4. And remove the core. Make them into very thin slices. Keep them aligned like this. Prepare oven sheet lined with parchment paper. Put some granulated sugar, cinnamon powder, some butter, and apple slices with the skin side facing down. Let's roll out puff pastry big enough to cover them. Some flour so that it doesn't stick. cut into 4. Let's make some holes using fork. Then on top of the apples. Let's put it in the oven and bake. Baked for 10 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius, then 20 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. But please adjust the temperature to your oven. Let it sit for 10 minutes to settle. Left for 10 minutes. So it's time to enjoy. Itadakimasu. It's so good as is, but it would be nicer with vanilla ice cream on top. Delicious! That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!